Hey everyone, welcome back to How to with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make high-quality Roblox thumbnails using AI. You don't need to be a professional graphic designer, and you can create thumbnails like this using tools such as ChatGPT or Nano Banana Pro. I'll also leave two useful links in the description. The first link will give you the prompts I use in this tutorial, and the second link will be for the AI image generator I use. So, let's get started. The first thing I like to do is find a successful Roblox thumbnail that I can use as inspiration. For example, you can look at other Roblox channels in your niche and find a thumbnail with a layout, colors, or style that catches your attention. Once you've found one, save the thumbnail to your computer. Now open ChatGPT and upload the thumbnail. Instead of asking ChatGPT to create an exact copy, ask it to analyze the thumbnail and turn the overall idea into a new, original image generation prompt. For example, you can tell ChatGPT to keep the same type of high-energy Roblox thumbnail style, but change the character, background, objects, colors, expressions, and other important details. You can also tell it exactly what your own video is about. So, if the original thumbnail has one Roblox character, you can replace that character with a different Roblox avatar. If there's an animal or another object in the thumbnail, you can replace that as well. You can also change the character's pose, facial expression, clothing, environment, and even the camera angle. The goal is to use the original thumbnail only as inspiration while creating something that fits your own video. Once ChatGPT gives you the prompt, read through it and customize anything you want. For example, you can change the thumbnail text, background color, Roblox character, arrows, icons, or other objects. I also recommend telling the AI to use a simple composition, huge readable elements, strong contrast, saturated colors, and no unnecessary clutter. Once your prompt is ready, you can generate the thumbnail directly inside ChatGPT. Simply paste the prompt and ask it to create the image. Another option is to copy the same prompt and use it inside Nano Banana Pro. Paste your prompt, generate the image, and wait for the result. If the first version isn't perfect, don't start over completely. Look at what needs to be changed and give the AI specific instructions. For example, you could say, make the Roblox character larger. Move the character to the right. Make the background brighter. Add a large red arrow. Remove unnecessary objects. Or, make the character expression more dramatic. You can keep making small changes until you get a thumbnail you like. One thing I recommend is keeping the thumbnail simple. You don't want 10 different objects competing for attention. Usually one main Roblox character, one important object, a short headline, and maybe one arrow is enough. Also make sure your thumbnail text is very short and easy to read on a phone. 2 to 4 words usually works really well. Once you're happy with the generated image, save it and make any final adjustments you want before uploading it to YouTube. And that's basically how you can create Roblox thumbnails using AI without designing everything manually from scratch. I'll leave the prompt template from this video in the description, so you can copy it and customize it for your own thumbnails. I'll also leave the link to the AI image generator below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How to with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.